In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Google Workspace subscription efficiently and effortlessly. Understanding how to manage your Google Workspace billing settings is essential, especially when you're looking to cut down on costs or adjust your subscription to better fit your current needs. Whether you found a more suitable plan or simply no longer require certain services, this guide will walk you through every step of downgrading your Google Workspace subscription. Follow along carefully and you'll have this done in no time. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. Once you're there, the key is to get into the admin console. This is the central place where you'll be able to access all the tools necessary for managing your organization's settings, including billing. After accessing the admin console, you need to log in using your business email. Ensure that you have the required administrative privileges, because without this, you won't be able to make changes to the subscription settings. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Google Apps menu, which is typically situated at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Following this, locate the admin icon within the menu options that appear and give it a click. This is your gateway to managing all things related to your Google Workspace account. Now, with the admin page open, your next destination is the billing section. Head over to billing, a section specifically there for managing payment options, subscriptions, and other financial aspects of your account. Once you're in billing, look for the subscriptions option, which you should click next. This section will present you with an overview of your current subscription plans. In the subscriptions area, you should see an option that says add or upgrade a subscription. Even though this might sound a little counterintuitive when you're thinking about downgrading, go ahead and click on it. This will present you with all available subscription options, including the downgrade function. When you see the option to downgrade, simply click on it. This action will start the process of changing your current subscription to a more suitable plan that meets your current requirements. After selecting a new preferable plan, you'll be prompted with a series of on-screen instructions to proceed. Now, you'll find yourself in the final stage of this process. Click on the next button to review and confirm your new subscription plan. Be sure to double check the payment details to ensure everything is correct. As soon as you're satisfied with the information and the selected plan, proceed to checkout. And there you have it, you've successfully downgraded your Google Workspace subscription. Make sure to note any billing changes moving forward and keep an eye on your email for any confirmation notices from Google regarding this change. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about managing your Google Workspace account.